Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy pineapple pig shots? Just like this? You would? Good, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few of the ingredients needed, but the whole ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. First, we start off with some softened cream cheese, add some crushed pineapple, some sweet barbecue seasoning, I'm using Kinder's, and some brown sugar. In case you're wondering what a pig shot is, it is a pig on pig meat snack. You just take a slice of sausage and wrap that with some bacon and stuff it with this yumminess. It's so delicious. It's the perfect party snack, a good appetizer, good for tailgates, barbecues, and things like that. Just make sure your cream cheese is softer than mine, child. You can really stuff it with whatever you like. Usually people add cheddar cheese, jalapenos, or green chilies, but I don't like heat, so I like to add sweet bell peppers to mine and onions. Yeah, that sweet and savory be hitting. The next step is to chop the sausage about 1.5 inches thick, and also chop the bacon, chop the pack in half, and just wrap the bacon around the sausage just like so. They call them pig shots because they resemble a shot glass. We're going to be putting our little shot glasses on the smoker, but if you don't have a smoker, you can definitely just roast these in your oven. You should secure these with some wet toothpicks. I don't know why I like to make my life hard, child. Then you just want to take that delicious filling and stuff it into the center of the pork shot glasses. The smart way to do it would be to use a piping bag or a Ziploc baggie, cut a slit at the tip of it, or you can be a heathen like me and use your fingers. Pray for me, child. And then we just top it off with a light dusting of barbecue seasoning. Oh, and if you don't eat pork, you can use turkey bacon. I just pray I never have to go through that. Now off to the smoker. My smoker is set for 275, and these will take about 1 hour to 1.5 hours to smoke. It's good to put them on a little tray thingy like this. It just makes it easier to get them in and out of the smoker. I have some more yumminess on the shelf below. These are shotgun shells. Yes, boo-boo, we multitask around these here parts. Another unique and really tasty appetizer, I'll put that recipe above. Once the pig shots are done roasting, they should look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. Baby, these pig shots were so darn good. The richness of the cream cheese, the sweetness of the pineapple, and the smokiness of the sausage and the bacon. The combo might sound a little weird, but it's really, really good. You need to try it. Or not. I was just trying to help you, your palate. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all, it was so humbling.